Welcome back everybody. So still stripping everything off from underneath the car. I've also been in and cleaned out as much of that as I can, but I think with some thinners and that I just need to remove the rest of it so I can get it all painted in there. I've just stripped the wings off. I only had the coating on it, but there was like little, you know what I mean, they've been hanging about a long time, so I just needed to get rid of like the little rust spots on them, the surface rust. So yeah, now, but the slight a slight change of plan, because I'm just going to fix the hinges for the doors, which is a bit random, but I need to do find a little bit of weld down in there. So while I've got the welder out and before I run out of gas, these are broke. Now I've got to do these. I've got two. This one here has been fixed before by someone else, but these holes are actually threaded, and that one someone has drilled right out and tried to weld the stud on it, and every time I try and do it up, it just snaps off. I tried welding it back on, so I'm going to fill that hole up with weld and re-tap the hole. And then we got some bolts wherever I've put that. I did get some out ready, but so we got the correct size bolt, so we'll screw that in, tack that on, and then jobs are good. And the same with that one, but we've got to drill and we've got to weld that hole up, re-drill that one. Right, I'll show you how I get these undone, hopefully, if it works. Right, hopefully you can see. So what I do, it's okay if you've got a little bit to get hold of, otherwise you'll have to drill it out, but in theory, normally you can get away. Then we grind that flat, grind the weld off, then hopefully it'll turn out. If not, we'll put some heat on it and give that a go. Alright, let's see what happens. I don't think that's going to work. I've done this like this loads of time. You switch the camera on, no chance. Right, whack some heat on it then. Let's get a pair of gloves. We're going to heat that up now and hopefully it'll break free. This is one of them jobs I've been putting off. Right, now will it or won't it? I think it moved. I think it moved, but I might be wrong. I am wrong. Bugger. bugger. No, broke off now. Bugger. Oh well. Option 2 then. Alright, so ground that off. Alright, so this is the other way to do it. You can still see where it is, so you know exactly where you got to drill. So, yeah, I'll drill that out, tap that out. We have to do it that way instead. Right, so I've drilled and tapped that out now. Hopefully you can see. And what to do, just put a nut on there. Just so it's easier to sort the thread out after. That screws in there. Don't go too deep. And we just put a little blob of weld on there just to hold it there. And now when you try and do it up, it's not going to snap off or pop out. Well, you can still break it because they're not very big, but you know what I mean. But you can't put too much weld in, because if you do, then it'll catch on the door. Alright, so I'm gonna get the welder going, and I'm gonna weld this all up, and then I'm gonna weld that on there. I need to weld this all up and then go on this one flat. Trying to hold it still. Just clean that all out. Right, yeah, I'm about to set. Right, so I welded that all up, ground that flat. I've just put a pilot hole through it. So now hopefully this will drill through it. But these drill bits are all pretty crap. Maybe not that one then. Right, now we'll cut the thread. I'm trying to remember what size tap this is. My eyes are terrible. I know it's you and air. I can't read it. I'm sure someone will know. If you know, put it in the comments. I don't think it's quarter, I think it's bigger than quarter. That'll be better, it won't keep pulling the stud out now. Now I'm going to need to grind the back of it though, because there'll be too much weld on there otherwise. Like I said, if you get lucky you can wind the stud back out. Obviously this one's different anyway. You see this one's all in there now, I've just got to cut these off. Right, I'll grind that bit of weld off. Like so. And we get another bolt, another nut. Just make sure you buy bolts that are long enough. Don't buy stainless because they're crap. Now we just screw that in there. Don't need to go too deep. Now we just put a blob on that, grind it back a bit, and job's good, and that's then done. And that is it. There you go, so that's tacked on there. Just need to cut that off, and that won't pull out of there now. So yeah, saved, because I'm too tight to buy new ones, and they're probably crap anyway. So right, I'm going to cut them off and call that it. We'll just do that as a little video with me failing to do it the way I was hoping to do it, but there you go. So now it just puts the nut on so that when you cut it off, then you can clean it up and then wind the nut so you don't damage the thread. So yeah, cool. Thanks for watching.